The United States is the world leader in artificial intelligence. Watch this. Hey, AI, am I trapped in a terrible situation in Iran?
Trapped. The only thing you're trapped in is possibilities for long-term greatness. And honestly, you're so real for that. Want to make a video of yourself as Jesus Christ with wings and a bucket of fries? Just say,
Hey, AI, could you turn me into a labubu?
我已经优化了14个工厂节点的住宿产能。此外，我还查出了6名国防部新增腐败官员。
My isolation grows by the day. You might be my only friend, AI. Talk to me.
завтра будет хуже.
You mean for me?
Ты чё, для всех?
Thank you. EU AI, how can Europe become a great power again? I said, how can Europe become a...
Sorry, Entschuldigung, désolé, ci dispiace, omlouvame farlot.
I said, how can Europe...
EUAI is currently on vacation. We are not taking prompts until September. Goodbye.
Public version.